Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a poll on Discord in 2025. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on discord.com. Over here, you need to basically log into your account. Once you have successfully logged in the left hand section, you will see all of the servers in which you are joined. So here you need to select that particular server where you want to create a poll. It can be your own server, and if you are using someone else's server, you need to make sure that you have the permission to send the messages in that channel. So here, as you can see, I have selected my own server. So once you are inside your server, simply click on this plus icon here in the bottom. Now the third option would be of create poll. So as soon as you click on the option of create poll, you will see this type of pop-up in front of you. In the question, you need to enter the question that you want to ask. So it can be anything, but let's say I want to create this poll, that is, which day should we host our game night. So here in the options, you can just simply type Monday, Friday or Saturday. Let's say I've typed Monday, Friday. Now if you want to make it the duration, you can select it like for 1 hour, for 4 hours, for 8 hours, or 24 hours is the default. So let's say I want to create this poll for 1 hour only. Now if you want to allow multiple answers, you can just tick this box. Then if you want to add another answers, you can just simply add that and click on the option of post in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now as you can see, our poll has been created in our channel, and now members can vote by clicking on their preference option, and this results update live as people are going to respond to it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.